Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. You want to. And I just say, I just want me to. Umbra.
Oh, yeah. They need further out. I didn't know them anyway. You know, they did the lake
So,
off.
for already, you're going to the company.
Yeah, they,
Yeah.
seen
As I
that.
feel, I'm putting
That
one.
was,
As I feel, I more as I'm in the unity, the very big. I don't know what to go. I go from the club. I'm on a room now. I don't know what's about for me now, free a degree. And I'm going to pay a toll me now, Mumbra. Mumbra, but you won't see. Mumbra, and I'm going to do. Yeah. Yeah.
the boy.
Yeah. The club up on a room now, Mumbra. Mumbra, my train, I find one train in Yansa, in India. I hope I will know it from the government. Mumbra, I'm to appoint the idea. But they are only said, but you are Gina. You team, I'm going to have why and walk when you're in the way now from the government. What's running now? I don't come here. Yeah, I now a couple of years, person car, I demand to judge you. But just send us a million as a cover here from the government. Which I
I'm not listening. But over there, go get it. I cleaned on that back. You know, my friend called me. It's a long but it, I gotta tell you. He knows, but she knows. I went to Durham, got down to Kentucky. She said they gone. Okay, hold on. She said, no, they gone. What's gone? The glasses, they couldn't find.
What about the alphabets and then the words that the friends?
M is for many, both young and old. Uh-huh.
The more the better. These were questions to know the how,
What, where, why, and when.
R is for alliance, to be strong from beginning to end. S is for struggle, to fight our enemies toe to toe. T is for teach, pass on to our people whatever we know. U is for unity, together both day and night. V is for values, to know the wrong from right. W is for work, which is our best goal. is for the unknown, which is a Negro. Y is for youth, the future on me. And Z is for zero, which is all against me.
Santua, Obaba, Siapo, Fremwe, Oyabeme, Asantuma, Yakaiwo, Yamamuni, Yasantua,
get off.
Yasantua, Bakuja,
Cool, Barbie, tonight.
Ama, I wonder who said we're home to Mago. Bibli. Yeah, what home to Mago after the
Yeah, how come we're up here now? Why are you saying? Why did we move up here?
How come they took all the chairs from this area? Machine.
Yay!
Mayanka.
Obraya con abusaya don't.
That's it?
Math.
Obraya con. Mayanka.
Obraya con abusaya don't.
Tenaz. Mama, tenaz. Nkosi tipelele tenaz. Mama said tenaz. Obraya con. Mayanka. Obraya con. Obraya con. Abusiaya dom. Abusiaya dom. Obraya con. Abusiaya dom. Obra asechira sai.
Amen.
You. Obra asechira sai.
Oh.
Debbie.
No. Nothing to do with
Ama unim. Obra asechira sai.
I
Hey again.
Life. Lincoln. Life is war, family is army. He's like,
Obraya con.
Obraya
Abusiaya dom. Ebra me kase obraya con mon kase abusiaya dom. Obraya con.
Abusiaya dom.
Obraya con.
Abusiaya dom.
Obraya con.
Abusiaya dom.
Mon kase obraya con me so me jesu se abusiaya dom. Mon ka.
Obraya ko.
Abusiaya dom.
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 Obraya ko.
Abusiaya so ya dom.
Obraya ko.
Abusiaya da so ya dom.
Obraya ko.
Abusiaya jesu buso ya dom.
Obraya ko.
Abusiaya da so ya dom.
Obraya ko.
Abusiaya san ya dom.
Obraya ko.
Abusiaya dom bium. Enti obraya kon abusiaya dom. Wo ye emme mienu. These are two different proverbs. Obraya kon. Obraya kon. Inti se obi ka say obraya kon a se chira say. So if someone says obraya kon, what does that mean to you?
Life is war, life is hard. But your family helps you get through it.
Mo aya dia na na ya. Aya dia. No ano no. Sa na se chira. Mo yembo yen san kese ma. Aya dia. Mo. Munjro. Vem, papá. Vivi. Vem, papá.
Debbie.
Oh.
Has anyone seen Emma's notebook? It looks like cheese but purple.
You.
A composition that's purple composition.
You had it today?
Yeah, she was reading.
No?
She was
It's a composition notebook
Oh,
that's
okay.
like purple.
Oh, there it is. Look, Emma. It crawled up there.
I'm doing the Emma.
Jadi ada saya worry on mana. Ada saya. Mana worry. Your mommy. Aku dah. Kemudian. No.
So it's not Quaker, it's Schwab.
Ah. Baku. So what a fancy me are. If you're fancy and you spell like this. Quaku. Quaku. Another fancy. Where a fancy are, we can see. Quaku. Quaku. Quaku.
So are you saying either is correct, but when you say...
It depends on which dialect you're speaking. So this is fancy.
Because I saw that right. And I was like, y'all spelling Quaker wrong.
So this is fancy.
Right.
This is Asante.
So, Anansi is
Hmm?
Anansi is
It depends on which subgroup of the Akan are spelling it, because the Asantes will always spell it like this. The Fantes will always spell it like this.
What about Cordial?
Hmm?
What about Cordial?
Ajo?
Fancy.
Ini Fantes dia. That's a Fantes so sa.
Yeah, that I've seen people correcting my spelling of that for their own name with and putting a J in. That's English.
J-O-J-O.
Asemne say, Ebra, Abrofabano, Omunim says that when the British were spelling it, they started spelling things all kinds of ways with Q's and J's and other things that aren't part of the language.
So like Quasi Forte's last name. So are you saying the same? One is fancy and one.
Ajua, there's no J.
Right.
There's no J in the language whatsoever.
So A-D-J-O-A is not
It's not
correct.
anything.
And they put it on everything though. Yeah, I'm saying. Because I was born with that name as my Monday born. But they said no, it's A-D-J-O-A. So I used both of them. And then when we went to the Kente village, that's when we put it this way.
No, don't do that.
Welcome to neo-colonial Africa. Most people you will find do not know how to read and write in P.
They just not speak.
You know how to speak it. So you'll help them with how to read and write. They'll help you with how to pronounce it.
Okay.
And then you'll call that reciprocity.
Okay.
Maybe.
Should we be writing a Quaker? No. Yeah. No. He said you should. You should? Baba Baba. Should we write the Kaku
Upa.
Yes? If you want.
Enti die mo kan no pa bia na ya dian. What do you say after the first part? Who are you? What is your purpose? I know you're the Adikan. Is that the first thing?
Oh!
When you find,
Who are you?
when you find,
The Quackers spell differently.
Yeah.
So
Is that supposed to lie? What's it?
wherever they go, they create
What? Whenever they go,
Meye menan no maba. Meye menan no maba.
I'm shooting I'm gonna hold up to it.
one that one.
Meye
They,
ne ani da so. Meye menan no maba. Meye ne ani da so. Meye enne ani da so.
I'm the builder for those on board.
Nimpo pa we. Hey. Mau.
You sometimes draw your book.
Is this your book?
Yeah, that's my book. Why you put on rest on my work?
You got
No, I'm saying I'm using this in my free version for information.
May I won a.
I'm sorry, but I do.
Yenka. May I won a.
Well,
Yenya wo won. Dancy for. Noite.
I'm a promoter of an African language.
May I be quite so. Encourage for. Encourage for.
The way you're saying it doesn't sound anything like the way it's written. So my tongue is all twisted up.
So you have to put your English background to the side and start off fresh with a G background. Encourage for. Encourage for. Encourage for.
Is that That's H-Y-F?
Encourage for.
So H makes a chicken.
Inquiring check.
Okay.
Encourage for.
They didn't know that.
Because?
And what you?
What is it?
Is she talking to somebody?
Bota in the dang. Will Bota in the dang. Will Bota in the dang.
This is the second part. This is the second.
These my personal skills.
What is that?
Huh?
Where are you from? What's your purpose? Oh my gosh.
What? How you doing, Mama?
Madam Nim, dear. Adomache, dear. Madam Nim, dear. Adomache, dear. Madam Nim, dear.
Come. Say Connie.
Ne Adom Ache, dear. Ne Adom Ache, dear. Ne Adom. Ne Adom Ache, dear.
I want a pistol. I want a pistol. I want a pistol. I want a pistol.
Madam Nim, dear. Ne Adom Ache, dear. Beboa me Bruno. Beboa me Bruno.
Think about this.
Me Jenny, the powerful from one son. Me Jenny, the powerful from one son. Abwa and Kabum. Abibin Kabum. Me Jenny, the powerful from one son. Abwa and Kabum. Abibin Kabum.
Isn't it where are you from?
Yeah, where are you from?
Free him.
Mama Africa.
We get it.
I know. Nobody's gonna congratulate you once you know I never got
And now, if you remind me, fee.
They're too close together.
Fahundi ya medium. Fahundi ya medium. Untumi nchirame kwa mbone. Untumi nchirame. Untumi nchirame kwa mbone. Betumi papa we.
An oxygen to the bone.
Kwa mbone.
From the top?
We did betumi papa.
I thought we were going to read it from the top.
Yeah.
No, he's gonna. Yeah, I think that.
Pardon?
Let me check it.
I'm running on half cell.
That's all I'm gonna write in and like take the pencil out. Pencil.
Really? Y'all gonna do that for
How old are you, Chief?
me?
I'm 51. The rules of the flag
Phone. Y'all just gonna act that late. You got a notebook and
Just like you can run and go climb up there and I can't anymore. Hi, on me. Certain things.
I could take a picture
I
if I
Good,
wanted
Nana,
to.
yeah.
I could if I was so inclined. If money
you were
was
so
involved, if my
inclined.
grandbaby was up there dangling.
Under the right circumstance.
Yeah, I could.
too late. Oh my watch. I wrote that. That was for my grandma. Let me see. Let me see if you wrote all that thing. Let me see that. Give it.
Yeah.
Give it over. That was for my grandma. It's not my phone.
Well, they try to will to throw off some things.
Real soul.
And they still be dirty, I might have to throw them off at least two. This is what I'm saying.
Me ya obibini.
Yeah, old baby name.
I am African. Kopim me nompemu.
Kopim Menom Pim.
Kopim me nompemu.
Kopim Menom Pim.
To the bone.
I'm African to the bone.
Birth is not the beginning.
Life is not the beginning.
I want yen shasie.
And that's it, not that. No, it's my turn.
And that's
It's not no competition. Get your head in the game.
okay, so you next.
It's the number one.
Remember?
Owuo nso nye awieye.
Essence, what's that?
Owuo nso nye awieye.
Oh, yeah,
Owon
because we
Sonye
Kan de me ken.
Awi.
Owuo nso nye awieye. Kan
Owon Sonye Awi. That's got 3 E's.
owuo nso has
Owon
2
So-
A's and 1 A.
1 A, 2 A's and an A.
Owuo nso
Owon So.
nye
Yeah.
awieye.
Every yeah. Lot of vowels. Every yeah.
Betumi papa we. Betumi papa.
Daddy.
Oh.
What?
Mami papa. Mami
Y'all
papa.
not done with that? I'm following him.
Daddy.
What do you want to throw here?
Okay. I'm done. Miss Goody, she is still on the first phone.
She's not good.
Yes, she is.
She never asked back. She's been taught right.
Donkey. Doggy. That's You're
First
supposed
of all,
to
I like
let
your hat.
me say it.
It's a very nice
She-
hat.
What?
You look very handsome in my book.
Did you? Okay, fine. Did you look through your notebook to see that part?
No, I know that. Okay, fine.
But Tiasia, free say it, Tiasia.
Me too, yes.
Say it.
Say what?
I said.
Together we shall win.
You didn't get
I
to
told you to say
we are because, or is that's not, that's at the end. We are because,
She said that she knows it, and I was just like, okay, then say it.
or is
She
it
said,
you, we are because,
I am because we are.
okay, I am because we are together, we shall win. That's what I thought you were going to say that.
He said
I
it.
did.
He said it before you?
Yeah, and then what did I say? I just
Okay, so then the next part,
So
together
no.
we shall win.
the last one.
No.
The last one. I told her
Together
to
we
say.
shall win. That's the it.
I
That's the
said,
end?
yeah, I said,
Oh yeah.
I said.
Kabomu, Kabomu,
Nkabom,
Yebedin Kunim,
Yebedin,
Kabomu,
Nkabom,
Yebedin Kunim.
Yebedin,
Go, oh yeah, dear.
That's it.
I know you're area,
And somebody
That's it,
had
yeah.
to steal my heart.
Don't be like that.
Yes, I will be like that. I was excited that that's what I knew. I knew it by heart.
and then they stole it from me.
No. I told her to say the. I told her to say the end. I was like, fine, then say it. And she's like, say what?
I'm from Fiji, no, bro.
Coffee, it's there. She erased the part on his eye.
You were still in the beginning.
He's writing it like a paragraph. That's confusing.
Oh man, kind of just do line by line by line by line.
You're writing it.
That's what you
I
do
did
now.
2 by 2. I'm finished.
Oh, you put two of the lines on one line?
Oh no, like every 2 things he wrote, I kind of put it on a line together, and then I skipped a line.
Two of his one-liners on one short line. You need a laptop bag.
I'm waiting to get my laptop.
I need a bag like that. for back.
And the lady I met,
She gonna be mad.
Huh?
that's right.
This man is a spider.
Duh. I'm not sending spider and tree. Duh. When we're doing Kwame says, where does he say that we should go? And I said Ting Town. And I said, he said he's a spider. How casual.
No, because he looks like a human
Ooh, Anansi.
With 4 arms and 4 legs.
Look at his face.
Boy, Brother Nancy was kind of spider in folklore. He was kind of spider with the human
Attribute.
attributes,
Shimu, your friend Sendipa.
especially his cunningness.
So,
And it's
and
cracking
tree is
up.
called Sendipa.
What's the name?
Your name? Is that his name?
Anantha?
This is, set is to resemble, and then Nipa is human. So in English, that's called personification. In Twi is called senipa.
One of my favorite announces is when he got planted for all of his kids. Essence. And he gave all his kids planted, all 6 of his
That's
kids.
what we did. Yeah, Kafa Franca.
So what did he end up with?
Franca.
Twice as much hair.
Koko Tum, and Yahamono.
We bought 6 plants.
He gave me 6 of his kids for a nice.
We see a semi
You
can.
don't have any to take care of. And he took the 6 kids.
He had more than the 6.
Every day got more than everybody.
Silly pot means what?
Personification.
Average, they have a big word in English at the end of the speech.
Most of them.
The longest word in English doesn't end in vacation.
What is it?
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
What does that mean?
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
Something to do with politics?
It does have some.
It's anti-some.
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
What does it mean?
If you're against something, huh?
Yeah, that's it must be the opposite of this some whatever he
Say it
just
again, say it again.
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
So he said disestablishment. And then
Seriatism.
establishment. So like cutting
So
off
it's
a
against-
project.
Undoing
This is an English class.
You
I'm just
better.
giving you
You're the
example
one.
knowledge.
You're the one who brought up.
Well,
the
it's very
longest
easy
word.
to spell.
You said
Anti-disestablishment.
all the long words have cation. And I just gave you an example that doesn't have
So
cation.
Still,
anti-anti.
now we
Disestablish.
need the definition.
D-I-S.
That
Establish.
can be your homework for English class. Not your
E-S-T-L-A-B-I-S-H.
English teacher.
Tarianism. T-A-R-I-S. Disestablishment. M-E-N-T.
Y'all do
Tarianism.
English every day.
A-R-I-N-I-S-M.
Y'all do English.
None of y'all can spell it. Spell it.
Antidiestas.
Establish.
Establishment.
Arianism.
Let me write it.
Because it's very easy to spell. It's spelled exactly like it sounds.
This what?
Establishment.
And then what's the end?
The stab.
On you.
Anti-disestablishmentarianism. Tarianism.
It's the it's this. What's the end?
Establishmentarianism.
There's an A or an L.
Terry.
Now, I'm not sure if that's an A-R, an E, or an E-R.
One my Pierre just here done the broken.
Ooh, is it like this?
So did you put, okay.
It's right?
I didn't tell him yes.
Well, if that's an A instead of an E, then both of you guys are right. You guys spelled it the same.
Look at yours and then it'll be the same as you.
You're just a spy.
I almost spell anti-disestablishmentarianism.
No, she doesn't have an N in it.
What do you mean? And where?
Anti-disestablishment.
Disestablishment.
What Danny? She had this young profile. Up to you.
Are you talking to me? Well, I don't understand nothing you're saying.
But that's why you're here to learn. So she'll understand in a couple.
I know
Of years. A couple of years.
But yeah, Mr. Papa.
You're not even finished.
I'm on the last sentence.
Hey.
I'm finished. You could go ahead and erase it.
Nah, you.
Don't.
Butter, you are not doing
So, Connie, you think that's a good idea?
Yes.
Don't be mad. Wait, Nana, you want to take a picture still?
Yes.
At the end part?
That's like
At the
the,
end part.
that's like the deal. It's the deal was
Don't
to
erase it. Oh,
Right now.
Say, Connie.
Not everyone is done.
Now.
I gotta take a picture, don't erase
Oh,
it.
Now.
Now. I put them closer together.
Oh,
That's
and
what
now.
I'm erasing it.
Now give it.
My
now-
mom
Just because she's done.
Oh,
Yes.
now I got the cupcake now.
Okay, now give it a try.
Oh, don't look this way.
There you go. I think I put it too close. I made it.
I love Freddie to my mommy. Oh, be careful.
Don't you do it then.
I will do it.
No. How you gonna tell somebody to be careful and then you gonna
Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
Where I said to the side.
Say for an owl and
That's
I said to the side.
I don't know.
Can't say anything.
I want that notebook at home. I don't use that notebook.
I did it. I went to it.
You what? You give me. We're not making different. Everyone finished writing it.
Oh my God.
Kwakwana.
Oh my God.
Kwakwana.
Kaku, he's up there. Oh, I can do that.
No.
like your laugh. but
No. No, say kind.
That's your mischievous laugh.
Don't jump.
Kaku.
It's about
Quackle,
everybody.
Quackle, please be careful. Be full of care.
Say
See,
kind.
and look, you see your sister? You see your sister behind you? That's why you have to look out for what it is you do, Quackle. Because now Kose is doing everything that you do.
Oh
Remember, I told you you are a role model, Quackle. She does everything you do now. So you have to look behind you.
How are you? Essence. Essence. Or essence. 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 You want me?
You want me? Man, she's almost there.
Yeah.
You almost there. Can't get down by himself. They kind of go up there. No, you're not. Go up. Look. Look at me do it. Look. See? You see me? Y'all can bring this thing down. Be quiet. This way somewhere.
Did Akosia come down?
I brought her down.
No, you do it. Move your feet.
And what's the matter?
Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
Ago. Montanasi.
Nuh-uh.
Kwame say Montanasi.
Thank you.
I was sitting there. I know I was sitting there. That's why I'm moving over.
I know, bet me I kind of throw Chim. Who can read what we just wrote in G before we move to Melanecha?
Wone Hwang.
When you find
Meye me nana no aba. Meye ne Anita. No, you're.
Kwame and Kai.
Wone Hwang.
When you find
Meye me nana no aba. Meye ne Anita. So meye wo a yenya so
in Yan War one.
wo dancing. Meye a baby crying so in one share for
Quaco is your sister behind you?
tie.
Remember, you have to look to see who's behind you
Is
now.
that Costiana?
It was
Saikani.
Yes, I did. Adam,
Muncie. Kosi.
Paul, Ansa, Abua, Enkabomu, Abi, Bin Kabomu, Ofrihi, Ela Abidimai, Ye, me, here, Pahodia, Ye, me, drum, born to me in Sherry, me, Kwan Money, Mayor or Bibini, Copem, me, in him, more, I walk near in Shasia, Mete, Asia, if we say Yete, Asia, and Carbomu, Yabedi, in Conin, Mayor at the Quine, so in Kira.
Debbie. We walk under that. That's from the earlier part. This is the end. Together we went. We started writing again.
It's hard,
Well, you're more than someone.
right here, and then I saw the question. And then as soon as I saw the question. Okay, thanks for not writing down.
Fine, so beautiful. Who else wants to read it?
That's it. You're the oldest.
Is you.
Is you. Get up.
Pen Siba Wobakai.
Okay, you read it. As the youngest, you should read it.
No. As the oldest, you should read it.
I'm not the oldest. There's plenty of people here older than me.
And kids. They're the oldest.
Yeah, I'm not a kid.
You're older than me. You're a teenager. No.
I'm not a teenager.
You're only 12.
He's a preteen.
You're a big
All these labels, kids, preteens, teenagers.
Do I have to read it? I'll try.
Come on, dear.
Yes, you do. Whoa, she said,
When they find. Can I get here? Speak up.
And